And we have some more breaking updates with respect to China has now slammed the US over its claims on the origin of COVID-19 virus. China FM spokesperson Zhao Lijian said, and I quote, China is disappointed at Dr. Anthony Fauci's pushing of the hypothesis that COVID-19 likely originated in a Wuhan wet market and claiming that China disinfected the market to make sure that things don't get pointed to them as well. For more on this, I'm being joined by my colleague Natasha from the Mumbai newsroom. Natasha, break it down for us. China has now slammed the US over its claim on the origin of the COVID-19 virus, Natasha.
Right now, China's state-affiliated media Global Times has tweeted that they are slamming basically the Chinese FM spokesperson Zhao Lijian. He has said that they are disappointed that Anthony Fauci's pushing of the hypothesis that COVID-19 likely originated in a Wuhan wet market and claiming China disinfected the market to make sure that things don't get pointed to them. So a little rich statement coming from China there, considering that the risk that they have spread to the entire world here. So again, if I can just quote, Zhao has said that China's COVID-19 policies gave the world time to fight the pandemic, and China published info of the virus to WHO and the world as soon as possible. So here they're saying that they informed the world as soon as possible, and they also urge countries to focus on fighting the pandemic based on science and control its spread in their own countries. So statement coming in there from China via the state-affiliated media Global Times. You can read the whole report on republicworld.com. Back to you.
Well, yes, Natasha, thank you for breaking it down for us. China now slamming the US over its claim on the origin of COVID-19 virus.